Hi ate! Happy birthday!
Thank you for the friendship. Yung wish namin sa'yo, chat na lang namin kasi nakakahiya dito. Thank you sa pag-arrange ng tour na to. Ingat kayo palagi ni Kuya Seth dito sa Siargao. Salamat ka, Rajao!
Happy birthday, Rona. God bless you at sana yung successful partnership. Ingat palagi.
Happy birthday, ate. Dito ka lang sa likod ko. Happy birthday, I love you, thank you.
Ay ate, happy birthday. Wish ko sa'yo sana maging successful pa yung business niyo ni Kuya. And long life para sa inyong dalawa. And syempre, happiness na din para sa inyong dalawa. Yun lang. Love you. Happy birthday.
Hi Ate Rona! Happy birthday ate! Thank you for being good ate sa amin na palagi at lagi kang nandun. Ayun lang, happy birthday ate!
Happy birthday Ate Rons. Maraming salamat sa lahat sa hospitality dito sa Siargao. Saka yung business nyo, pagpatuloy nyo, sana lumago palalo. Mabuhay ka hanggang kailan mo gusto. Happy birthday Ate Rons.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday Ate May! Ayun, thank you sa lahat. Thank you sa pag-asikaso dito, sa pag-asikaso sa amin. Pagpunta namin dito sa Siargao, appreciate namin lahat ng efforts mo, efforts ni Kuya Boyong. And wish ko lang sa'yo, stay humble. And wish ko maging fruitful, maging more blessings pa yung business nyo. And ayun, nandito lang ako lagi to guide financially and all. Kasi ako yung FA. So ayun, sana mag-improve yung physical and emotional state mo kasi ayun, ikaw lang mag-isa dito sa Siargao, yung mga friends mo malayo. And sana makasabay ka sa mga hobbies ni Kuya Boyong and sana mas maging faithful in serving wife ka kay Kuya Boyong and even kay Kuya Boyong nakikita ka naman din yung effort niya sa'yo. Sana tulungan lang kayo kasi dalawa lang kayo lang dito sa Siargao. So yun lang, pakatatag kayo lagi and more blessings pa.
Mrs. Happy birthday. I just wanted to know that our friends, our family, me myself is very lucky to have you in our lives. As you know, you are a very genuine, kindly-hearted person, and we wish you, to have all your dreams, your goals, all the travel destination that you want to go, all the places that you want to go, all the food that you want to eat could happen. And I want you to know that all your dreams, I am 100% at your back to support you. Wherever, whenever you want to happen. And I want to thank you for trusting me to be with me in this beautiful paradise, living with me in our dream, living our dream. Hopefully di ka kagad magsawa just a place. Sorry kung wala pa masyadong fancy things, but I am 100% doing my best to make life easier for both of us. For now, we are here in your favorite beach in Pasicon. Enjoy the coconut trees, enjoy the views. There you go. Happy birthday from me, from Lilo, from Coco, and Potol, and to your family and friends. I love you.